It was bedtime at the Sunny family house.
Hi, sweetie. What's wrong?
Mom, I'm scared about the test tomorrow.
Don't worry. Come sit with me.
Mom, I can't sleep.
Oh, sweetie. What's wrong? Can't sleep? Then come here, my little one.
Ooh, are we having a story night? Can I join? Please, please, please. Yes, come on.
Yeah, come on. Tonight, I am going to tell you about a real hero.
Really? A hero?
Yes, one you will never forget.
A superhero? Does he have a cape?
No cape, but he was braver than any superhero you have ever seen.
Who was it, Mom?
His name was Balto.
A dog? The hero is a DOG?
The bravest dog that ever lived.
Alaska, 1925. A tiny town called Nome. In Nome, Alaska, a dangerous sickness was spreading. Children were getting very ill.
The sickness was called diphtheria, and without medicine, children could die. The medicine is 700 miles away. Planes cannot fly. There is only one way. Sled dogs. This is Balto.
He was not the fastest, not the most famous, but his heart never gave up.
I will take the final and most dangerous part of the journey.
The storm was the worst in years. But the medicine had to get through. And so, Balto ran into the storm.
Gunnar could not see anything. But Balto could. His nose led the way.
Balto? Why did you stop?
The ice is too thin.
Good boy, Balto. G-O-O-D boy. You just saved all of us.
He's so smart.
We made it! Balto! Balto! Get up, buddy. Please. The children need us. Please get up.
They're coming, aren't they? Yes, they are. Hold on, Maya. That's my brave boy.
And he ran. And ran. And ran. Keep going. We're almost there.
Mommy, it's cold.
You can do this, Maya. Believe in yourself.
After 20 hours, 53 miles, Nome was in sight.
Is that?
Huh? The medicine sled? The medicine is here! It's safe! Thank you, Balto. He's safe. He saved us. Open your mouth, dear.
Mommy, I feel better.
You're gonna be okay.
Mommy, I feel better. You're gonna be okay.
Every child in Nome was saved.
Wow, Balto is a hero! Balto saved Nome! How incredible!
America never forgot Balto. In December 1925, something special happened. A statue of Balto was built in Central Park, New York. It stands there today.
at the names.
They saved everyone.
I don't know if I can do this. Yes, you can. We're in this together.
Remember what Balto did. You're brave. That made him the greatest of all. You don't have to be the biggest. You just have to keep going. Time to close the book, my loves. Now, let's relax. That was a great story.
Balto fell down in the snow, and he still got back up? He still got back up.
Wow.
He kept trying, and he did it. Because of the children.
Because of the children.
Mom. Balto wasn't famous. Nobody believed in him. But he still tried.
That is the most important lesson, Maya. You don't need everyone to believe in you. You just need to believe in yourself.
Maya, if you ever fall in the snow... Jace, we don't have snow. I mean, if you fall anywhere. Thank you, little brother.
You're squeezing too hard. Remember what it says here, always. Keep going, even when it's hard. That's what makes a hero.
Good night, my brave ones. Good night, Mom. Good night, Mom.
See you next time on Zibberx Stories.